Hi, I'm Stephanie Chiswick, Editor-in-Chief of CoatingsPro magazine. With us today, we have Heather O'Brien. She's president and co-owner of EasyCove. Thanks for joining us today, Heather.
Hi, Stephanie. Nice to be here. Thanks.
Why don't you go ahead and start by giving us a little bit of an overview of what EasyCove is offering to the flooring industry?
Well, I could talk about EasyCove all day, but I'll keep it short. EasyCove is a manufacturer of uniquely preformed polymer Cove base. We're engineered to create a vastly superior bond to the wall and floor in the resinous flooring industry as far as Cove is concerned. We can be installed in a fraction of a time compared to troweled coving. And we have what's called our unique interlocking bond channels, which are our dove lock bond channels on the back of the Cove, along with the Cove anchor where the radius is. Once it is adhered to the wall, it creates a mechanical bond to the substrate, and it has unparalleled moisture barrier impact, and it's second to none to any other Cove on the market today. The biggest feature, I would say, it offers significant reductions in labor costs as well.
Okay, that's great. I was going to say, so you mentioned some cost benefits. I think that there are also maybe time benefits as well, potentially.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the time it takes for trowel down is, with all the mixing and making sure that it's a proper consistency. And if it's not, it falls down off the wall. That's the benefit of EasyCove. You could actually coat it ahead of time if you wanted to, if you have a really large area. And you can coat it ahead of time, put it up the wall, and then you can finish your floor and do your top coat and you're finished.
And then just to clarify, what systems work with EasyCove as far as, epoxy you mentioned? Are there other types of flooring systems that can work with EasyCove technology?
Yeah, actually, one of the particular benefits of EasyCove is we have what's called a CSP3 profile. And that profile is really key in the industry because it allows for anything to be adhered to it. So MMAs, resins, epoxies, anything, even paint. And that's really important depending on what setting that it's being placed in.
You're mentioning obviously the benefits that are in the field. Could you maybe touch on a few of the benefits that are on the architectural side of things, so that the starting end of the system, the process?
Absolutely. So we don't typically provide a product spec, but on occasion we will send out a spec, especially when there is a very large install to be had. And the benefit is that architects really, really like this product because of the moisture barrier that it creates, that interlocking bond channel. I mean, there's really nothing else on the market today. We get the old, oh, it's a gimmick. Well, they don't give out patents on gimmicks. And quite frankly, we're focused on quality products for quality installs. And we really work closely with our distributors to get that, into the architect's hand and for them to understand the importance of that patented design. I think it meets the demands in the coving industry for sure.
Yeah, that's great. Was there anything else that you wanted to share?
Well, we understand the requirements in the field to meet required floorings as far as OSHA is concerned. With the pandemic that we've had and cleanliness, EasyCove meets those demands. And I think going forward in 2021, that's going to continue to be a concern. And I think we need to continue to focus on what can we do to provide the industry to make sure that cleanliness is recognized as an important part of what we're dealing with during this pandemic. So we're excited that we can offer a product that actually meets those needs.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Again, this is Heather O'Brien, president and co-owner of EasyCove. If you want more information on them, you can check it out on their website at easycove.com. And as always, happy coding.